Larry says, Jeff, I took the auditing exam and I'm currently waiting for my results. I wanted to seek your advice on how to use the Ninja system along with Becker to greatly improve my potential CPA exam pass rate. I have invested countless amounts of time and energy into the CPA exam and would like nothing more to complete FAR this year. So how do you use Ninja with Becker? How do you use Ninja with any other course? It really comes down to, do you want to use, well, there's three options. Use your main course and then supplement with Ninja. Use a few elements of your course and then use Ninja to pick up the slack, which is kind of like supplementing, but you're using more Ninja, like 50-50. Or completely ditch your course and go 100% Ninja. So if you're using Becker, well, you probably paid a lot of money for it. You don't want to ditch it. There's some aspects of it that you probably like. So maybe you watch their videos and maybe you use their MCQ software, but you start using the Ninja Audio when you're commuting and you read the Ninja notes every chance that you get. And then you use the Ninja MCQ and Sims as your review tool. And if there's a weak spot in your prep, maybe you watch a Ninja Plus video. That would be supplementing Becker with Ninja. Let's say that you use a different course and you don't like it, but there's an aspect of it that you like. For instance, maybe you like their videos a lot, but you hate their software. So you would watch their videos to accomplish the N in Ninja, the nail the concept. So you'd watch the videos and then let Ninja take over the heavy lifting for the rest of the review prep. So you would go over the Ninja book to kind of scan it for a week and get a feel for the information, and then jump into the Ninja MCQ for the learning aspect. Because when you do the MCQ questions in the Sims, you do it to learn and then you do it to review. When you're doing it to learn, use Ninja MCQ to learn it, all the while listening to the Ninja Audio every chance you get while you're mowing the lawn, doing the dishes, and doing the laundry, and sitting at your desk, and driving to the store, and waiting in the checkout line. Always be listening to the Ninja Audio. By the way, I do dishes at my house. So if I were studying for the CPA exam, I would listen to the Ninja Audio, of course. And then finally, if you want to ditch your course completely, then you can use Ninja as a standalone course. You would substitute any videos that end for Nail the Concepts. You would use the Ninja book and then take intense notes over the Ninja book. Do the did you hate it when your computer logs out in the middle of a video? Okay. And so take intense notes and then do the non-stop multiple choice questions. And then you would go through the whole Ninja study framework so basically the Ninja book replaces any videos. And so and then you just walk through the Ninja study framework and then review. So that is how you would use Ninja with another course, and I hope you found that helpful.